Well, hello and good morning out there, YouTube land. My name's Greg. This is Greg's Motors and More. And today, we're back on the Free Craftsman. We're going to find out if a $12 eBay carburetor can make this thing run again. The last time we worked on it, I tore the carburetor apart, looked at it. We determined it had a bad fuel shutoff solenoid. We also determined the needle valve in the carburetor was shot. Just looking around online, found out they wanted like $5 for the needle for a new needle valve kit. And I found a cheap carb with a fuel solenoid and everything for $12 shipped. So we're going to slap that on here and see what that's going to do. It'll either be epic fail or epic win. Alright, so I showed you guys how to take the carburetor off last time. Showed you guys going through that. I'm going to go ahead and buzz through this real quick. Get the new carb on. If nothing else, I'll probably fast forward through the footage here. Alright, we'll get the new carb on there. Let's see how close or how good it is or it isn't. Put the new fuel shutoff solenoid up. Hopefully it works. So I get the parking brake set, so I don't even have to sit on the tractor. Choke's on. Here goes nothing. Literally, here goes nothing. Okay. Why is that? Parking brake off. Oh, the parking brake is off. I thought I left it on. You are a special kind of singer. Well, alright. Here goes nothing again. Not running right.
It's talking to us. All engines talk.
What's it saying?
It's saying chitty 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 chitty.
Let me do a little bit of monkeying with this here. I'm having some trouble with the adjustment screw on this. It's kind of weird. It's not even actually a Phillips head or a slotted or anything. It's just kind of a rounded ball on the end. kind of odd. But yeah, like I said, let me mess with that. Let's see what we get. Alright, well, I've messed with it some more and done some checking on it. As soon as I unhook the fuel shutoff solenoid, it cleans up, runs good for a second, and then stalls out because it's shutting the fuel off. So we either got too big of jets in this carburetor, it's jetted too large for this engine application, which it shouldn't be because I looked it up by application, or our float level is set wrong, which could be. So I guess what I'm going to have to do now is take the old carb and the new carb and try and swap some parts around and see if I can't make one good carb that's going to make this thing run good enough to, do what it's supposed to do. It shouldn't be like that, but I'm not going to wait a week and send the carb back, get my money back, order another carb. I'm not going to do that. Spring's here, the grass is growing, and somebody's going to want this mower. So let me get moving on all that. Hopefully I can come up with a good result. Okay, so got into these carbs, and these two pieces look identical. The floats look identical. But when we get down here, after we get the plastic pieces off, you start to see the differences in these carburetors. So, right here is where your main jet is. Look at the size of that hole. Here's the new one. Look at the size of that hole. Look at the difference. That's how much more fuel that thing's going to put in that engine. That's why it was doing what it was doing. So I think I got a solution here. I'm going to swap over the yellow pieces here. Put a new gasket. Let me get down there. Put this new gasket in, and I'm going to throw it back together using the old body with the correct jets in it, since these jets are not interchangeable that I can see. And we're going to try to run it again. So hopefully it'll work. All right, we got her all back together now. I wound up having to hammer the metal jet out of the plastic bottom of the original carburetor and pressing it into the new one, and then changing out the gasket and a couple of other things. So we're going to go ahead and fire this thing up, see how it does now. I might have to make some adjustments, I don't know. Hopefully it should fire up and run the way it's supposed to now, because it is using the right jet. Then after that, I think we're going to air up the tires and see if she'll move, see if the deck will work, and go from there. So, here we go. Sounds pretty good to me. Fired right up, ran well, idled well. Throttle's a little sticky up here. I'm going to go ahead and give that thing some lube. Try and get her freed up a little on both ends here. Okay, let's air up some tires, see if she won't go for a cruise. Now I know this back tire back here isn't going to hold air for very long, because some person shoved a plug right in the sidewall, and that's not how you do that. I'm going to see how much the tire is for. If I can pick one up for pretty cheap, I'll slap one on it. If not, I'll put a tube in it and take that plug out. It'll be fine. It'll probably last a while that way. So let's go ahead and air them up. That way we don't roll it off the rim. Very good. Are you up? Yeah, you're up. Right. I guess we can close that now. That one's up. This one over here in the back's down. Okay. That ought to be that. So, get my mat out of the way here. This jar of carb cleaner can go over here. Alrighty. I need to fix this. This is annoying me. That should pop down in there. The tab broke on it.
Hey, Rod.
You just don't want to cooperate, do you? Kind of, okay. Alright. Well, let's see if this little treat's gonna twirl.
See, Randall, you know that ISO chamber cakewalk. Now, this little baby, this is a whole nother animal. Hey, how fast does this little tree twirl? Nearly 200 miles an hour. At 6 Gs. Builder holds a record. Have fun. Fun is my Chinese neighbor's middle name.
The hydrostat, and I got the thing disengaged in the back. That's why. That's why. Okay, that should be better. All right. Try that again.
I'm in danger.
Woo! All right. Well, we got this free Craftsman to run, mow, drive, all of the above. The deck needs a little bit of an adjustment. The right side sits higher than the left, but that shouldn't be any big deal. Figure that one out. I'm gonna have to do something about this tire. It's already about flat again. And I think I just ran it about out of gas. That's why it stumbled there. But at any rate, not much work for a pretty decent little tractor. So I think everything's good there. Anyways, really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my videos. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. And, not sure what else to say here. So until next time, I guess. Have a great day. God bless you. Adios.
Great success. Nice.